morning, everyone. Next Generation Weather Forecaster Joe Shock here, taking a look at the pattern over the next 10 to 15 days, seeing if we could get some more summertime-like temperatures here in the Northeast, where it has been cool as of late. So I'm doing this a new way now. I'm using PowerPoint to do this, to make these images a little bit bigger, because sometimes when I use them in the gallery, they come out too small. So let's see how this works for this particular video. So we're starting off here looking at the European ensembles, and we're going to see several runs of the model, and we're starting here with the run from yesterday morning. You could see these are the temperature anomalies at 5,000 feet, and I want you to note the warmth over the Northeast here. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to draw on this now. That may be a problem. Actually, wait a minute, I can do it. Okay, so hold on. This is nice. Okay, this is going to be even, I think, better now than the other thing I had. So let's try this out. Now I do have my mouse. Now, can you see where I'm circling there? Maybe I can make that a little bit thicker. Maybe not. Maybe that's the only size I can work with. But the point is where I have this red circle, and hopefully this red circle stays. Oh, it doesn't stay. Okay, but you can see the anomalies there. 1, 2C, even 3C above normal, and that's again at 5,000 feet. Next Friday, the 28th of June. Now, if we look here at the 500 millibar pattern, and I still have my pen up on the screen, which is great. Let me get a different color here. Let's see what green. Oh, that's better. Okay. This is the 500 millibar pattern for next Friday. Again, you can see the anomalies here over the Northeast. Maybe that doesn't work as good, the green over the yellow. So let me go over here, switch it back around to red. Let's see what this looks like here. Yeah, it looks a little bit better, I guess. But you can see where I have the red and green circles. Now you can see the height fields at 500 millibars are above average, so that promotes warmth. Now, there is a change here. Now, look at the 12Z. Now, look at these 850. So remember 0Z. Now we go over here to 12Z. You can see the warmth is pulling back. It's pulling back, and see this cool out here? This is going to, my fear is that this is going to translate west, while this warm anomaly translate also west. So you're going to have this negative cool anomaly translate into the northeastern part of the United States, middle of end of next week, and you'll see that again in the next couple of runs that I have up here. And here is the 500 millibar pattern. You can see here the greatest anomalies are no longer over here. They're over here close to the Hudson Bay, and here's Hudson Bay here in the larger red circles. So you can see the greatest anomalies are starting to pull back to the northwest here. So that still leaves New England somewhat warm, but not as warm as it could be. Now if we go to the next image, this is this morning's run, and you can see pulling back even further here at 850, and the cool starting to show up here nicely here along the East Coast. So this is a sign to me that my 90-degree days may not be working out to end the month of June and to start the month of July here in the Northeast, where also it's been raining a lot, and that's going to help keep this down as well. But so I don't know what to say, but I will say this, that the JMA from last Thursday had the exact same look here that the European has. It looks like maybe the European is going to what the JMA had from last Thursday. So there's the 850 temperatures, and then here is the GFS. For some reason, the other one didn't go on, but the mean ridge is back over here. Again, in the this morning's run, you can see the GFS. You can see it's less with the trough here. Let me switch my color to blue. Let's try darker blue. You can see it's less with the trough here than what the European has right there. And it is also less with the troughiness out here. So what I think will happen on the GFS eventually is you'll see more trough off the west coast and over the western here. And you're going to see some troughing here over the northeast. And you're going to get that ridge up by Hudson Bay and south central Canada by the middle and end of next week. And then here's that JMA that I was talking about. And that JMA comes out quite nicely here. It is much larger than it was in the gallery. And let me get my pen back. Let me go over here to my, I'm going to try dark red here on the JMA. Now you can see here the JMA. Now this is over a 6-7 day period, but you can see how the JMA hits it, that weakness here over the northeast, and has a ridge here and more troughiness up here. But this pattern that the JMA has at 500 millibars does not promote warm weather over the northeast and maybe even in the Great Lakes as well. So an interesting model situation definitely ahead of us, and overall it looks like that they will not be as warm as I thought it would be week 2 in the northeast. So it looks like an overall step down and getting close to what the JMA had. That's it for now, and hopefully I will discard those. And that is it for now, and thank you for watching.